Hello and welcome to another 2-minute video from AAS Economics. Today we discuss the housing bubble in the Australian economy. For us, the housing bubble, as with all bubbles, is a function of excess money creation within the economy. This begins with the central bank, and as we see, the size of the Reserve Bank's balance sheet as a proportion of the economy is now running at record levels. Similarly, the money that is created as a result of that activity is running at equally record levels. As a proportion of the economy, housing loans are just below recent peaks of around 90% of GDP, running up from previous levels of around 20%. And as a proportion of all bank loans, housing loans have also risen from in the low 20% of all bank loans up now to occupy more than 60%. What's interesting also is the increasing role of investors in the housing sector, and we see on the right-hand chart here the extraordinary growth of house prices in relation to income. When we compare house price growth to that of the stock market, again, we see a significant outperformance of the property sector when compared to stocks. Again, a reflection of the credit and the money that's being pumped into the housing sector through the banks. What's the outlook? First of all, we look at activity, and using both changes in money supply and changes in our liquidity indicator, which measures the difference between money supply growth and money demand growth. Both of these suggest that over the next 6 to 12 months, we should see a decline in the growth rate of dwelling approvals in the Australian economy. We should also see something we've not seen for some time in the Australian property market, and that is the wind starting to come out of the sails in terms of property prices. So for the yearly growth rate of house prices in Australia, these should start to come under pressure from now for the next year or so. If you'd like to learn more about these markets and our other macroeconomic and market research, please don't hesitate to drop us a line at info@aasecon.com or drop into our website and complete our contacts page. Thank you very much.